Life's not just about staying alive. It's about being well. Medical science is making great strides every single day, with new research allowing relief from what was a previously untreatable disease. Building and adding to India's success story in the field of medicine is Medicef. Established in 2010, comprising a team of passionate and dedicated professionals, leading and collaborating towards the greater good. Medicef's corporate headquarters is located in New Delhi, the capital of India, but has its manufacturing plant situated in Baddi, the biggest pharma hub in Asia. Located in the beautiful foothills of Himachal Pradesh, with picturesque views and fresh air all around. Medicef's core objective is to make its manufactured products available in the remotest parts of the planet at an affordable price range. While boasting of a diverse portfolio of products, Medicef has achieved particular distinction in the quality and stability of its amoxicillin and amoxicillin plus clavulanic acid combinations, leading to the company getting the moniker of the Clav people, and rightly so. Available in a wide range of strengths to meet a patient's specific requirements, the combination is an industry-leading range known for its safe packing and high efficacy. Doctors can choose tablets, capsules, powder for suspension, and sachet dose forms to best serve patients to overcome their illnesses. The plant where it all begins is spread over 2 blocks and 3 floors and is powered with sizable on-site employee strength. It's equipped with high-tech HVAC system with 99.97% efficiency, ensuring low humidity and international standards of cleanliness. Sufficient space has been provided for raw materials, packing materials, manufacturing area, QC lab, in-process QC, finished goods storage, control samples, utilities, and effluent treatment plant, serving as an excellent platform for realizing the vision of manufacturing top-quality medicines. Every piece of equipment used in the manufacturing process is best in class as per CGMP requirement, which is further enhanced by the efforts of rigorous standards implemented by the on-site quality assurance systems and a team comprising every department and function, allowing for consistently high-grade pharmaceutical products fit for supply worldwide. Modern water purification system has allowed us the use of groundwater in the cleaning process. By targeting zero discharge of wastewater, Medicef ensures minimal ecological impact. With that, we wish to attain maximum conservation of the environment in our manufacturing processes. Meeting international stringent quality standards has allowed Medicef to be an EU GMP and WHO GMP certified organization. Sustained excellence in quality of manufacturing amoxicillin and potassium clavulanate combinations, fused with steady delivery to both domestic and international markets, has earned them worldwide recognition. Today, Medicef is not only catering to developing markets, but also making inroads into developed markets such as Europe, GCC, MENA, Russia, CIS, and Latin. The manufacturing quality has been recognized, and as such, Medicef is already accredited by multiple health and drug regulatory bodies such as EU GMP Hungary, MOH Congo, DPM Ivory Coast, FDA Ghana, MOH Cambodia, NAFDAC Nigeria, NDA Uganda, MOH Sri Lanka, MOH Vietnam, and PPB Kenya, amongst others. Looking at the future, erecting a state-of-the-art F&D formulation center, stronger corporate governance, marketing tie-ups with global players, and deeper penetration into highly regulated markets such as Anvisa, Brazil, Coffee-Press, Mexico, TGA, Australia, and also WHO, Geneva are some of our key goals. The vision to discover and provide highly effective and radically innovative pharmaceutical solutions at fair prices has always been the driving force behind the company's success. To keep up with the theme of forging a better life for everyone, Medicef supplies free medicines and trains personnel every year towards conducting health checkup camps and blood donation drives to help those who need it the most. We are building towards a better tomorrow by leveraging our excellent manufacturing capabilities into the production of a wide range of high-quality curatives to help people live their lives to the maximum. We are the CLAV people.